together. First thing. Look at yourself in the mirror. When you look at yourself in the mirror, you see your mind. Stop. Be still. What else? What else? Remember I told you, don't, the butterfly. The butterfly. So I'm going to get you. You roll backwards. Roll backwards. Roll backwards. Remember? Yeah. It's better, Andy. Come on. Go ahead. Roll back. I can't get you. See? Okay, come back. Come back. Okay, I want you to roll backwards, and when you stand up, I want you to do this. Look. Can you do that? I know you can. Come on. No, you didn't do it. Try one more time. Try one more time. Get up. Come on, baby. Ain't no problem. You're supposed to jump up, hit your knees, remember? And then you're supposed to jump up and get a kick. Okay, roll. Stand on one leg like you just doing. And roll the other leg. There you go. Always turn something into something, okay? Go turn. All right. Then roll. You just did it. Then roll back. See when your legs are crossed up like that? Good, good. When your legs are crossed up like that, when you back there, then you feel that? Look. Turn out of it. Now it's time to learn. See, the knees stand 4. You could have turned out it and stand 4. Now it's time to learn stand 4 and to learn stand 5. Okay? Everybody know the stand 3. Breathe. Stand 3. Step. Bend that knee. Stand 3. That way. That's stand 3. See, once you get a knee, then you slide the leg down. Yeah, lean into it. Don't move the hands. Don't move, pull those hands back. No, that's just not that much. Just pull the hands back. Now, stance 4, which is what you get ready to do, is just like stance 3. It's just like stance 2. All you're doing is going north, south, east, and west. Okay? Take this foot, step towards the mirror. Go. No, I just told you what foot. Same thing. That's okay. Don't think like him. Think like yourself. Listen to my voice. Because this is what you're going to have to use when I'm not with you. You're going to have to remember my voice. You stand 3, right? Okay, go back to stand 3. That way. Remember, that's stand 1. Stand 3. Now, stand 4 is just like stand 3 and 2. Okay? It's like this. My leg is straight. Think straight and lean into it. That stands 3, 4. From 3 to 4. Look. Stand 3, all right? Lean into it. Look, leg straight. It ain't like this. Okay? Lock. Then slide up. Straighten that leg out. There you go. That stands 4. Why you on your toe? What are you doing? Do what I'm doing. Do what I'm doing. It's the same stand over and over. They're different. Watch this stand 5. Look. That stand 5. Keep looking at the mirror. This stand 4. Don't move your hand. This stand 3. Switch legs. There you go. Good. Bend your knee. You're getting confused. You're not on this toe. You ain't on no toe.
Go like this.
Bend your knee.
Go like me.
You gotta look at yourself. Don't worry about that. Alright? Stand 4. Step to the mirror. Step to the mirror. Stand 4. Not that foot. Each foot get a turn. Step more. Step out more. Lean into it. Okay, stand 5. Keep looking at the mirror. Keep looking at the mirror. See, that's stand 5. Now, go back to stand 1. Stand 2. Bend the knee, straighten the leg. Come on, just step out, bend the knee. Stand 3. Stand 4 to the mirror. Stand 5. You gotta keep looking this way, remember? Back to stand 1. And now, remember, you can't, you gotta slide, remember? It's sliding, that's the sound you wanna hear. Yes, that's the sound you wanna hear. Stop. Stop. Get your other hand down. Okay, sit on the mat.